Uncle, you can tell me a story about when your daddy did liquor?
No, Simba, your father fussy. Cause he used to buy me room and he top by me room. Make him go. Me can't wait for him dead to get in your house.
But uncle, daddy are your best friend.
Fussy all that.
Simba, you look so. You good?
No, I'm not good, Timon, cause my father best friend say my father fussy.
Your father best friend are the biggest fussy boy. This is how we have to tell him. Go suck out your mother. What a wonderful phrase.
What me fi tell him?
Go suck out your mother with your bad mind ways.
It means just hurry and suck your mother today.
I'm gonna tell him next time see him.
If you're ready and the weak, just suck for free.
And suck out your mother. Go suck out your mother.
Go suck out your mother. What a wonderful phrase.
But my father say me not fi cuss bad
Go
words.
suck out your mother with your bad mind ways. Simba, me no like you, but me I beg your bills to buy some rum.
Go suck out your mother.
Go suck out your mother. Go suck out your mother. Go suck out your mother.
It means just hurry and suck your mother today.
If your bad mind and the weak, just suck for free.
Suck out your mother.
Go suck out your mother. Go suck out your mother. Go suck out
Suck out your mother.
Suck your mama, man. Just sour mama pussy.
Sabah.